China's Commerce Ministry announced that starting July 1st, it will impose export restrictions on certain aviation and aerospace-related equipment and technology to safeguard national security and fulfill international obligations like non-proliferation. The new rules, requiring export licenses, apply to aircraft and aerospace engines, structural parts, engine manufacturing equipment, software, and technology. These include tools and materials used in manufacturing, such as superplastic materials bonded with titanium and aluminum. This announcement, made in collaboration with China's General Administration of Customs and the Central Military Commission's Equipment Development Department, comes amid ongoing tensions with the U.S., which has similar export controls and has sanctioned Chinese firms over military sales to Taiwan. The broader impact of these restrictions is uncertain, given China's reliance on foreign suppliers for key aircraft components despite its own advancements in jet engine development.